Hi there, welcome to Crochet Critters. Today we'll be going through how to do a half double crochet as well as a double crochet and the slight difference between the two of them. Again, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So here we go. So we'll start off by doing a half double crochet. So first off, we yarn over and then we'll insert our hook. Again, don't forget, go through both of the V's and then yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, and you're going to pull through all three of those on there. And I'll do that again, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and the yarn over and through all three loops on the hook. And that is a half double crochet. Now to do a double crochet is very similar. So we'll yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and this time we're just going to do 1, 2. So now we've still got 2 on the hook, and then we'll yarn over again and pull through those 2. And I will do that again for you. So hopefully you can see. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. So you can see we've got the half doubles here, the 2 half double crochets, and then the 2 double crochets. So it leaves a bit more of a gap. So if you're using this for like amigurumi, just be aware you'll want to use a little less stuffing around these areas because it will tend to show through a bit more than just your single crochets. But very useful stitch for lots of things. I hope that was useful and you can use that for lots of different projects. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.